it's Kirsten at Robinson Unboxing. So today we're going to unbox a Plouise makeup box. So this is a normal subscription. This is a special just straight makeup and it's $25. Now, I did order 2 of them and only 1 box came. So I have no idea if actually both are inside this box or if I kind of got ripped and I gotta call them. So we're gonna dig into it and see. So Plouise is out of the UK. So I wanted to bring a couple new boxes that, you know, besides the BoxyCharm and Ipsy, something a little bit different that you don't see all the time here. And that way you can see, you know, is it worth it to get it imported into the States or Canada, depending where you are. And let's just dive in and see what it's like. But also note that I don't know if the 2 boxes that I ordered are going to be different, or is it going to be doubles in the box, which would be a shame. Wow, that's sturdy. Okay, so inside the box, then we have our 2. So at least we got both of them that we thought. They look the same, but who knows what's going to be on the inside. Okay, so the first item, we have a highlighting powder. And obviously it's Plouise because Plouise just sends their own stuff. They're not like a BoxyCharm or Ipsy that they deal with different brands. They just send their own brand. They always have really, really cute packaging. Like that's the outside of the packaging. And this is what the highlighter looks like. It's kind of like got a goldy tone to it, which is nice. So I'm not sure if you can see it in certain light, but it's right here. So that is our first item. Our second item is a base. So put this one on underneath the eyeshadow or whatever you want to get it nice and, oh, it's tinted. Wow, that's really pink. Was not expecting that. Okay, so that's different. I don't have a tinted one. And then we get one of their blending brushes, which they usually have really nice ones. So this is what it looks like. Just pink and gold. And this is number 124. Now for the second one, it's looking to be exactly the same, which means someone in my family is getting presents. Yes, it is exactly the same. So that's unfortunate. So I wish that when ordering and they know that the person is ordering 2 of their makeup boxes, that they would switch up the products a bit. Just so, you know, you're going to want the people to order more than 1 at a time. And if they did, then they're just getting the same things over again. But we live and learn, and the other stuff from Plouise seemed very nice. So we're going to test it out, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think of them, and just let me know if you got something different actually, so I can try and order again. Now we did order the subscription from there too for January 2023. Unfortunately, it hasn't shipped yet. They ship out on the last day of the month, so it's looking like February it's gonna come. So when that comes, we're gonna dive into that box. And until then, I'm gonna keep on uploading new content So like and subscribe and always comment, and I'll answer any questions that I can for you guys. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.